really important question. Climate change is a problem. We're seeing massive deforestation, loss of biodiversity. These are really big macro scale problems. And so often we feel disempowered because these problems are taking place on a global scale. However, we can address climate change in our own backyards with our own landscape. And so the first thing is manage organic matter on your own property. Don't give away your leaves at the end of the season. Don't give away your lawn clippings. Compost it on site. Make mulch on site. Number two, grow your own food. Grow as much of your own food as you possibly can. Do it in a way that's really attractive. Do it in a way that's really inspiring to your neighborhood. If your garden is beautiful and has a lot of color and beautiful textures and it provides food, you're going to inspire your whole neighborhood to grow food. Practice sustainability when doing this. Employ biodiversity, meaning you're growing a little bit of everything in case you have a problem with a fungal disease or something doesn't thrive because it's too dry or too wet. Climate is changing, so your garden should be resilient, and biodiversity is a great strategy for a resilient garden. And the third one I would say is involve your community. Get to know your neighbors with your edible gardening pursuits. Share your abundance with your community. Involve your friends. Teach them about what you're doing. Share your produce with them. Maybe your microclimate is really sunny and you can grow a lot of fruits, but maybe your friend has a really shady microclimate and they can focus more on greens and herbs and growing edible and culinary mushrooms, and you can trade. We can solve a lot of the macro scale environmental problems if we all take up ownership and stewardship of our own landscapes and start with what's right in front of you, which is your home landscape.